France, Burnop-le-Bas, a city at the heart of a geographical position, located at the A36 highway axis, close to Germany and Switzerland. An ideal location where Nextech, France's prestigious brand, manufacture and distribute of automotive lighting systems. Expert in LED, halogen, xenon and laser technology is headquartered. A range of products that has been carefully selected based on our philosophy and the needs of our customers. Moreover, the Nextech product range is ideal for importers already distributed throughout Europe, Germany, Italy, Belgium, Spain, the Netherlands and many others. Within a high-quality logistics system and a large stock of products, we can easily ensure short lead times and meet in a timely manner. At present, Nextech has 2 warehouses, one in France and one in Dubai in the United Arab Emirates. Moreover, to extend the logistics system and to offer the best quality of services, a team of engineers all put their know-how to the test with the help of advanced technology to enable them to carry out all the quality tests necessary to meet the requirements of our customers. Customers need perfection. It is according to these criteria that our company manages the highest performing items with a high level of quality to win the trust of many companies all over the globe. In recent years, this startup has gained notoriety and has quickly become a major player in the field of automotive lighting. Nextech is also an official partner of the Aquilon project by Genty Automobile, the French supercar of over 1,300 horsepower. We have been commissioned to meet the requirements of this manufacturer for the interior and exterior lighting of this project made in France. The Nextech brand is already being distributed in the biggest car accessories brands such as Auto. Fever. And finally, to finish, the world leader in accessories on the internet, Oscaro.com. Our success is distinguished by a team of professionals listening to the customers, allowing to distribute the task in different departments that are customer service, logistics, procurement, product development, and to complete an internal marketing cell. The entire team is involved in the success of this story. To gain more popularity, whether you are a reseller, importer, or for your export sales, opt for a high-quality and French brand that regularly renews its range of products. Automakers are evolving. Our challenge is to meet in record time the new automotive requirements, constantly in development. The Lightning of tomorrow is already in our catalog with laser technology. Nextech is today the French brand of the first fitting automobile. Then Make has already thousands of customers choose Nextech. Find us on the social media networks to follow all our news and of course on www.nextechfrance.com.